going to try a Lebanese dish called Mujadarrah. Lentils, rice, comes from an Arabic word meaning pockmarked. Very good savory flavor. I think you're going to like it. Come on. Mujadarrah is really pretty easy. Get some uncooked green lentils, some long grain white rice, and some onion. First, grab your medium saucepan, put 1.5 cups uncooked green lentils in it. Put enough water in the saucepan to cover the lentils, lightly salt or season. Bring it to a boil. Reduce heat, then simmer about 15 minutes. While you're doing this, saute some onions with a little bit of butter or olive oil. Normally they'd be rings of onion, but to make sure my kids eat them, I'm going to finely grate them. Then just make sure they're sauteed golden brown. Now stir in 1 cup of uncooked long grain white rice in with the lentils. A little salt to use some onion, salt, and garlic powder. Add more water to make sure that the rice and the lentils are well covered. Continue to simmer for 20 minutes until the rice and the lentils are tender. Mix onions in at this point. When you're done, top with more onions. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.